Hi, this is David Tang. I'm a Product Marketing Manager at Microsoft Singapore, and my job is to make it easy for customers to buy and partners to sell Windows Server systems. Today I'm going to show you cool mobility features in Small Business Server 2008 called Remote Web Workplace.
And this is all about allowing your users to connect to the internal network from outside of your network perimeter. And so here you see a Vista client I have outside of the firewall. I'm going to go through here and type in my remote web workplace address. This is managed as part of the Internet Management Wizard and can be easily configured during the setup process. You'll also notice that we're using an SSL connection or HTTPS to provide this remote web workplace feature. Here you see the Small Business Server Remote Web Workplace logon screen. I go through and add in my username and password, click the button here, and now I am connected to Remote Web Workplace. You'll see a number of tabs from left to right. Each of these has a specific task. We really focused on what were the core tasks that were required to provide access to from outside the organization. The number one ask we got was email, and so using a single sign-on infrastructure, you're able to go through and connect to Outlook Web Access. You can see it here in this example. You can even see some of the summary network reporting that's part of Small Business Server 2008. So what I'm going to show here is a little bit more detail of the summary network report. If I double click here, you can see the type of data I get in a summary, what time it has been, how long the server has been up for, when it was last restarted, and of course the status of the overall environment. I can then go through and browse down and see everything that's sitting here. I'll close this out. Next I'm going to log off Outlook Web Access and return back to Remote Web Workplace. Another feature that we often get asked about is how do we publish the SharePoint Services component that's part of Small Business Server 2008. So we created this button here which allowed you to remotely access Windows SharePoint services. When I click this link, essentially it uses port 987 to connect internally to the SharePoint Services site. This is done again securely using SSL and allows you to, from outside the network, outside of your company's network, to connect to the SharePoint site and manage documents as per you would inside the environment. Finally, you'll see this functionality for connecting a computer. And what we essentially do here is use the Terminal Services Gateway to connect you to machines inside your environment. So it allows you the ability to remote access to your machines that may be sitting on your desk and do so securely from, say, a machine at home or maybe even a connected internet cafe in another location. You'll also notice across the bottom here links which can be configured as part of Small Business Server, which not only could connect to the default links here, but also to perhaps partner extranet sites or other applications that might be required for your organization. So there you have it, a quick demonstration of Remote Web Workplace. Really appreciate your time and hope you enjoyed the Remote Web Workplace demonstration. Thank you.